Hey, what's up guys, this is Roberts from Roberts Media, and today we have an unboxing of the Anker PowerCore 13,000 portable charger compact. So let's dive into the video. Okay, as you can see, we have the box right here. In the front we have the Anker name, some information about the Anker product. Okay, so in order to open this up, let's go ahead and remove this little tape. Alright, I already opened it. As you can see in the front it says, "Thanks for choosing Anker, you're welcome." Okay, now let's go ahead and open this up. Right there you can see the Anker PowerCore. Okay, let's put this aside real quick. Right here we have the welcome guide, PowerCore. Alright, has all the instruction how to use it. Very good. Right, see. Right, don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and leave your comments. As you can see, we have a travel bag where you can put some accessories in it. Very good. And you also have the USB charger where you can charge your Anker device, and also you can charge your Android device. Alright, let's put this here. Now let's open this little bag where we have the PowerCore inside. Right, just open it and you can see you have two USB ports. That's very good. This is the port where you can charge the actual device. Then it has this IQ design, which means that it charges really fast. This something that Anker has, and it's very good. As you can see, it has Anker here, and it feels very good, very portable. If you travel, you can take it with you wherever you go. Hey, if you want this device, I will put some links in the description below so you can grab one of these devices, and I think you will really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. See you on the next video.